everyone, today I thought I would share a very quick little try on haul with you from a retailer I haven't talked about in a really long time, and I am glad I went back and rediscovered it. And I'm talking about J.Crew Factory, not to be confused with J.Crew. J.Crew Factory, from what I can figure, is like the outlet version, but there is nothing lacking in the quality, in the selection, and the pricing is just incredible. I have found every time I have shopped there that they're already marked down quite a bit, but they're always running sales. And then when I went the other day, I actually got another 15% off by signing up for emails. So let's walk through 4 outfits that you can wear now if you live in more southern climates, and if you don't, these will easily transition well into spring and summer. First, let's start with this very colorful cotton poplin blouse. It's a little bit of a puff sleeve. The pattern is just, I love a bright fuchsia pink paired with a deep navy. That color combination is beautiful. It is definitely a boxier shape, although I will tell you it runs a little bit more narrow in the bodice. So I'm wearing this in a size small. With the other shirts that I picked up, I got extra small. So if you are larger in the chest, you may want to just get your true size. I would say with everything else I tried on, J.Crew Factory is definitely into the vanity sizing, so size down on everything else. I love this kind of top for a little front tuck. I love the little button detail on the collar, and yes, they are functional buttons, so it's easy to get your head in and out. And this is paired with a very brightly colored pair of high-rise girlfriend chinos, which are so buttery soft. I rolled up the cuffs a little bit, which is how they were showing them on the mannequins in the store. This does come in other colors. I'm definitely gonna go back and order the navy. Obviously it comes in the traditional more khaki color, which I never find myself wearing that color khaki in pants. I don't know if it's just a throwback to school type uniforms or Target salesperson outfits, I don't know, but I never wear khaki pants. So if khaki's not your thing, don't worry. This comes in this bright kind of raspberry red shade, and then also navy and a few others as well. And I did size down in this one to a size 2. On to this next outfit, and as of filming, this top is not to be found anywhere on the website. If that changes, I will update that down in the description box. So please make sure, because I'm filming this kind of far in advance of when I'm planning on putting this up. So hopefully that will rectify itself and you can just ignore this part. Anyway, this is a Swiss dot kind of ruffle sleeve pullover top. It has a sort of a V-neck to it. It's more of like a notch collar V-neck. It comes in this bright orange. I love this. I don't think I own anything in this color. I'm loving this orange. I'm gonna love it even more when I get my fake tan going on. It also, I saw in store, came in white. So hopefully those 2 options will be available to you online if you don't live near J.Crew Factory store. I did size down in this one. I'm wearing it in an extra small. I'm wearing a nude bra underneath. I'll actually link the bra that I'm wearing, and throughout all of the outfits, same bra. And as you can tell, it is not see-through at all. Well, as long as you're wearing a nude bra. I paired it. Now these jeans are not from J.Crew Factory, and they are a little bit wrinkled because I pulled them out of my closet and I have not worn them since last summer or early summer, late spring. These are wide leg denim pants from Walmart, and I don't know why I forgot about these. They are great. They're still in stock, and they do come in 3 colors, this white that you're seeing, and I promise you will see again and again and again. I love these. They also come in a really light wash, and I believe like a more medium kind of normal denim shade as well. It comes with a tie belt in the same denim color. I got rid of that. I'm not into the tie belt thing, but if you are, that's what it comes with. So this pattern should look familiar. You just saw it in the very first outfit I showed you. Of course, you're seeing it in this dress. And if you're looking for a really pretty long sleeve blouse, that is also an option. I will put that down in the description box. This dress is, it's just beautiful. It's great for a spring brunch. I think it would be beautiful for a daytime wedding guest outfit. I have paired it with, I think I have 3 pairs of these espadrilles from Marc Fisher. I don't know if this bright poppy pink is currently available, but I will link to the current options, and I'm sure as we get closer to spring, more colors will be added. This is a permanent fixture, this model. I also have it in a light blush and more of a mushroom color, and I'll probably pick up another shade in these Espadrilles at some point this year. But anyway, back to the dress. So it's a mock neck, slightly ruffled along the neck and the shoulders. It's sleeveless. It's cut a little bit on a diagonal, I'd say the sleeves, but I'm still wearing that same bra. It's not a racer back or anything, and it works just fine. It has sort of an elastic waist and of course pockets, which I love. This dress actually is lined, so the inside of it is just a solid navy, same fabric as the outside from what I can tell, and I just love the way it swishes and moves, and it's pretty, and you can definitely make this a lot more casual. Throw a denim jacket over it, wear some sneakers with it, and you're gonna get an entirely different look. You could dress it up even more. You could put on a pair of pumps, throw on a more fitted blazer, and now it's a little more work appropriate. Now, speaking of blazers, I wouldn't say that this actually goes well with the outfit, but I wanted to show it to you here. I picked up this more of a sweater cardi blazer, and this came in a few shades as well. I love this soft blush. It is so comfortable. I mean, it's definitely work appropriate, but I probably will be wearing this more often over a tee with a pair of jeans. I love this trend. I just picked up another one from Nordstrom, very similar in an olive green. I don't know if you've already, I don't know what order I'm putting all this up, but if that video is already linked where I'm wearing that, I'll link it up there. Anyway, love the offerings from J.Crew factory. I mean, they're just, this blazer is heavy enough that you could probably wear it as a jacket as you're transitioning in springtime, I would say. I love the functionality of the blazer, the pockets, the buttons. It's a heavier weight, so it could definitely double as a jacket in slightly chilly weather. And I'm sure I'll be wearing this for a very long time. And then the last outfit I have to show you is what I am wearing right now. And this is kind of on trend right now, but it actually has been around for a little bit. If you remember, I've been wearing this kind of dress for years now. It's my favorite spring summer silhouette where it's a tiered midi to maxi length dress. The tiers are nothing new. I think they're pushing them a lot more this year, but I've been seeing them for the last 2-3 years for sure. Of course, they've brought it to 2021 by adding this animal print. It is a navy, and this isn't really true white. It's more of a cream, slight puff sleeves, little ruffle on the arm. I like that it does run big. I went down 2 sizes. I'm wearing an extra small, and for reference, my current, well, my measurements are pretty much the same, but weight is elevated. So I will put that down in the description box, but I am 5'4", and I wanted to show you this dress first with those same espadrilles that I had on in the last outfit. I love a little pop of color, and you know, obviously, that I love pink and navy paired together. But if you want to make this a lot more casual, take it down a notch, just slip on some sneakers. These sneakers from Madewell, they keep coming out with different versions of it, but the basic white is just perfect. Goes with everything, super comfortable, and you may note that I have swapped out the laces they came with my favorite no-tie laces that I get from Amazon. So if you're looking to kind of zhuzh up your sneaker game, I'll link those down in the description box as well. I hope you liked my fun little fast try on. J.Crew Factory is definitely going to be a retailer that I'm going to go back to on a regular basis this year. They also have a really great men's department and a kids department. Can't really speak to the kids stuff so much, except they were absolutely adorable, but I'm definitely sending all 3 men in my life over to the men's side to grab some stuff for spring and summer. So that's it. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite outfit, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing that. I would really love it. And if you're already subscribed, thanks so much for hanging out with me again today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.